everyone. To learn networking, subscribe to my channel Code with Shalini. In previous video, we have seen what is networking, what is TCP/IP, goal of developing TCP/IP protocol suite, LAN and WAN. And in today's topic, we'll learn what is WAN, MAN, CAN, PAN and SAN. And also we'll see what is client server model. So let's learn what is MAN. MAN is a metropolitan area network. It is same as LAN but uses higher methods and technologies which are costlier. Nothing but it supports a broadcast communication. Whatever the transmitter sends, receiver receives as it is, irrespective of the different medium. Nothing but even if the different mediums are used in between the transmitter and the receiver, it's not going to make much difference. So let's see what is CAN. CAN is a controlling area network. It is mostly used for the vehicles and also used in other areas like airbus, submarines, industrial automation, etc. PAN is a personal area network. Usually it is a short range in wireless communication, like for suppose our Wi-Fi in the homes. So that is a best example for the personal area network. SAN is a storage area network. It connects the servers with the storage with high-speed intelligent network. Nothing but it acts as a mediator in between the servers to the high-speed intelligent network. It basically secures the data. So let's see an example for the client process and the server process. This is the client process which runs infinitely and waits for the request from the server, and the server is the one which actually initiates the communication in between the clients and the server. Server sends the request to the client and waits for the response, and it sends the request and waits for the response until it decides. So this is the API. It's an application layer which is also called the function call, and this is the area of the operating system, whether it could be the Linux or Windows or Mac or any of the OS. This is a device driver DD and network adapter. This is a network interface card NIC. So initially when the client runs infinitely, it receives the response from the server. Once it receives the response from the server, it tries to communicate with the server and it sends the acknowledgement to the server that it receives the information, and it tries to respond to the whatever the request has been sent to the server. It tries to respond to the server. So that response is actually communicated using the DCE. DCE is nothing but data communication equipment. It is nothing but the device which acts as a mediator in between the two processes. So this is called the DCE, device communication equipment. And once the information is getting sent from the network adapter to the DCE, and then from the DCE it receives network adapter, it receives server receives the response. So this whole process is called the client server model.